Welcome! In this video, we go over reservations on the flight timeline, adding, reading, and the one-click booking flows most people don't realize are built in. Let's dive right in. Every hotel, every car, every catering order on a trip lives right here as a card on the timeline. We'll cover reading them, adding them quickly through partner sites, and the deep version, Book Direct with Airplane Manager, where the entire hotel booking happens inside the app. Quick look at a reservation card, time and date on the left. That's when the reservation starts. Type label in the middle, hotel, transport, catering, fuel, airline, or general, vendor name next, and a status badge on the right. The status badge changes color depending on state. Confirmed lands in green, canceled has its own treatment, delivered and out for delivery each get their own as well, and everything in between sits in a neutral pending style. 11 statuses in total, but only the milestone states have their own colors. Where a card lands isn't manual. It's all driven by the reservation's start time. Before departure shows up above the departure node. After departure sits below it. After arrival drops down to the arrival node. And after a ground destination goes to its own row. Set the time, the card files itself. 2 quick stops in settings before we add anything. First, reservation integrations. First card, the reservation forwarding email. Admins pick an alias for your flight department. Once active, anyone on the team can forward a hotel or catering confirmation to that address from their own inbox, and Airplane Manager parses it and creates the reservation on the right leg automatically. Below it, quick search buttons. Pick which booking partners show up in the wizard: Booking.com, Orbitz, Hilton, Marriott, Expedia, Hertz, Enterprise, Go Rentals, and EasyCater, per user setting, so flip on the ones you actually use. We'll come back to the second settings page in a minute. That's the one for Book Direct with AM, and it's the deeper of the two. First, let's see the wizard. Click any plus on the timeline, and pick Crew Reservations or PAX Reservations, and the wizard opens to a type grid. The choices are filtered automatically. Catering on the departure side, hotels and transport on arrival, crew-only types like fuel and airline crew if you're on the crew side. Pick a type and you land on the form. When, where. Details: start time, vendor search, confirmation number, status, and the reserved for list of crew and PAX on the leg. Open more details for type-specific fields like room rate, head count, driver name. Save when done. Hotels get an extra step before the form. Whichever partners you turned on in settings show up here. Booking.com, Hilton, Marriott, Expedia, Orbitz. Click any of them and the partner site opens in a new tab, already filtered to the right airport and dates. Add manually at the bottom skips straight to the form if you've already booked elsewhere. Confirmation in hand from a phone call or a corporate rate. That's the path most shops use today. And then there's this one, Book Direct with AM. The entire booking flow stays inside Airplane Manager. Search live rates, pick a room, pay, and the reservation lands back on the timeline. Before we use it, 2 quick setup stops. First, payment cards. Every user can save credit cards on their own profile. Open any user record, find the Reservation Payments tab, and Add Card. A secure iframe opens for the card details. Number, expiration, name on card, country, and a region field that just maps to the state. Free form, so FL is fine. There's a notes field at the bottom of each card. We can't legally store the CVC, so most shops use that notes field to leave themselves a hint about which card this is. A discreet reminder. Same screen exists at the flight department level. Settings, then Reservations with Airplane Manager. 2 expansion panels. Payment cards stored here are visible to anyone booking on behalf of the flight department. User-specific cards from a personal profile only appear when that user is actually on the trip. Below that, negotiated rate codes. If your shop has special hotel codes, say a contract rate from a previous operator, add them here. Today, each code has to be attached to specific properties. Search for the hotel, add it, repeat. Chain-wide codes are coming soon. Okay, now we can book direct with AM back on the flight. The search opens with everything pre-filled. Context bar across the top. The FBO address as the search center, check-in and check-out dates pulled from the leg, the number of people and rooms based on whoever's on the trip, and the rate codes you set up and settings already plugged in. The one setting that matters most is right here in the context bar. Per person billing versus single billing. Per person means each pilot or passenger picks their own card and gets their own confirmation number. That's the right mode if you want loyalty points to land in the right person's name. Single billing puts all the rooms on one card under one confirmation. Most shops use per person. Filters on the right. Minimum price is preset based on room count, so the Motel 6 doesn't show up on a corporate trip. Distance from your destination. Loyalty only. Only hotels with at least one loyalty eligible rate. Refundable only. And the chain filter for Hilton, Marriott, and the rest. Each result card shows the total price for the whole booking. Total rooms, total people, total nights, not per night. The with loyalty price is what's shown by default, because some third-party rates are cheaper but don't guarantee points, and most users want the points more than the few dollars. Image, distance, stars, top amenities, loyalty program badge. Map on the right lets you pick by location. Click a hotel and you get the rates list. Each rate is a room type with features. Loyalty eligible, breakfast included, free cancellation, payment terms. Pick the one you want. On to checkout. Cancellation timeline at the top. Each guest's name, loyalty number, and credit card dropdown are pre-filled, and both the user's personal cards and the flight department cards show up in the dropdown together. CVC has to be typed each time. That's a duffel security rule. Emergency contact defaults to the captain. Right side. Totals and terms. Airplane manager's chargeback and loyalty terms have to be agreed once per user on your first booking only. The hotel's terms have to be re-agreed every booking. Hit book rooms. Confirmation comes up with the per-person confirmation numbers and the cancellation policy. Close it, and the reservations are already in line on the timeline. One card per person if you used per-person billing, one card total if you used single billing. Each card is linked to the actual hotel booking. Canceling a Book Direct reservation is one place this flow is different from a regular one. Click the card, hit Remove, and you get a warning prompt, because removing the card from the timeline doesn't actually cancel the booking with the hotel. Two paths. Remove anyway just clears the card off the trip, useful if you already canceled by phone. Cancel with hotel opens the actual cancellation flow, shows you the cancellation policy and any fees, and pulls the trigger with the hotel directly. That's usually the right one. Pick the booking you want to cancel, confirm the cancellation policy on screen, and hit Cancel Booking. The reservation disappears from the timeline, and the cancellation is logged with Duffel and the hotel at the same time. And anytime you come back to Book Direct with AM after a previous booking, you land on a summary of your current and past reservations for that leg, with a Search for More Hotels button if you need additional options. To edit any reservation, Book Direct or otherwise, click its card on the timeline. The wizard reopens to the form. Pre-filled. Change anything. Hit Save. If a reservation came in through the forwarding email automation, you'll see a Booked Via chip at the top of the form, your hint that it wasn't keyed in by a person. And the type label in the header is actually a drop-down. You can convert a hotel into general or general into catering. Universal fields like vendor, confirmation, and dates carry over. Type-specific fields get cleared. There's a warning dialog before it commits. Two heads-up notes for Book Direct with AM specifically. If you ever need to dispute a charge, call Airplane Manager first. Chargebacks come out of our pocket, so we can usually help negotiate with the hotel and our partner directly before it becomes formal. And while loyalty points are promised by the rated booking, the hotel ultimately decides at the front desk whether to honor them. Most do, but if you run into trouble, mentioning your Bonvoy or honors number again at check-in usually sorts it out. That's reservations. Add them by hand, route them in by email, book them through a partner, or run the whole flow inside Airplane Manager with Book Direct. See you in the next video.